And all the children are on the track. And off they begin.
Enthusiasm can be seen on everyone's faces.
Now, for the prize distribution for Grade 3 individual track events. The gold medal goes to Grade 3 60-meter sprint David Potan. And the silver medal goes to Utkarsh Arya. Girls, the first place goes to Umesh Salma Maskati and the second place goes to Himakshi Tak. The third place goes to Mehak Mehta. Now, for the fourth standard boys alphabetical race, the gold medal goes to Krishna Kanani and the silver medal goes to Puruvansh Agan and the bronze medal goes to Samyak Manwar.
Now we are here to witness a 60-meter sprint by the girls of grade 5. All the
Now,
girls are...
for grade 4 girls
The finalists
alphabetical
are
race,
Anika, Ishika,
खदीजा
gold medal,
Sanli.
and ये देखो
the gold medal goes to Mahi Alana, the silver medal goes to Pari Takar and the bronze medal goes to Harshi Dodia. Grade 3 60-meter sprint boys, the gold medal goes to David Potan and the silver medal goes to Utkarsh Arya and the bronze medal goes to Deepesh Chauhan.
Now get ready to witness a 60-meter sprint by the gracious boys of grade 6.
Our friends who are participating in this race are
Parth, Anuj, Sahil, Chaitanya and Arnav. And Pradyuman. All the best, boys.
We know you're going to run like champions.
All are eagerly waiting for the clapper to sound so that they can set fire on this track.
They are so anxious so that the race starts.
थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की थोड़ी सी
And now they have come on their starting line.
Now, for grade 4 60-meter sprint boys, the gold medal goes to Harsh Pathak and the silver medal goes to Anik Mohanta and the bronze medal goes to Arav Singh.
This is the first call for the basketball. Boys students to assemble behind the net enclosure. Winners of basketball, boys and girls, to assemble behind the net enclosure.
Now we are here to witness a 60-meter sprint by the girls of grade 6.
The participants are Nidhi,
Bhakti,
Shriteja,
Aditi,
Sampriti.
and Mishti.
I'm sure they'll
And here the race begins.
all are thundering towards their destination.
What an enthusiasm!
Enthusiasm can be seen on everyone's faces.
Now,
What a
grade
brilliant
4
finish by everyone.
60
Here we got a
meter
winner.
sprint girls. The gold medal goes to Pari Taka. The second silver medal goes to Uzma Subania and the bronze medal goes to Harshi Dodia.
This is the first call for grade 7th and 8th standard sprint race for boys and girls.
For 200-meter sprint and for 100-meter sprint. The second call for grade 7th and 8th students.
हिम्मत से जो कोई चले धरती हिले कदमों तले क्या दूरियां क्या फासले मंजिल लगे आगे गले हिम्मत से जो कोई चले धरती हिले कदमों तले तू चल यूं ही अब सुबह शाम रुकना झुकना नहीं तेरा काम तू चल यूं ही अब सुबह शाम रुकना झुकना नहीं तेरा काम पाएगा
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Principal, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving away the prizes. Thank you so much.
This is the final call for grade 7 sprint boys. 200 meters. And then we will have the 100-meter race by the girls of grade 7. Then the boys of grade 7 for 100 meters.
It's an enthusiastic morning and we are here with another enthusiastic race. This time it's grade 7 200-meter sprint by boys. The participants are
Aditya,
Gopish,
Vikas,
Krish
Piyush.
and Swapnil. All the best, boys.
According to me, hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work. So don't worry, guys. If you had enough hard work, then that's enough. Stay confident and try to give your best.
Win or lose, it doesn't matter. Just play fairly, boys.
May I have your kind attention, please? It's again time to motivate another batch of winners. I would like to request Mr. Rajiv Nambia to reward the winners. I also request Miss Smriti, the pre-primary coordinator, to escort him to the victory stand. Inter-house basketball matches for girls were held during the heats, and girls basketball team of Griffin House were the runners-up. And the members are Ishita Pivas Patra, Pankti Diwan, Priyanshi Shah, Nidhi Krishna, Jagriti Virendra, Kirti Srivatsa, Samira Jivani, Mishti, Sneha Barai, Shriteja Chela. Congratulations to the winner, to the runners-up team. The win.
Hello.
Next, the winner of Inter-House Girls Basketball Trophy is Unicorn House. The team members are Saloni Agrawal, Rajni Yadav, Smriti Ghakar, Ragini Kumar, Senjuti Akuli, Lisa Dare, K. Pranuti, Aritra Bhaumik, Samprati Roy, Trishita Das, Nandana and Yasmin Hundada. And the prefects of Unicorn House. I request football winners to come and gather behind the net area. Next, we have the winners of 60 meter sprint girls of grade 5. And the winners are Heer Bhuwa at the 3rd position, Anika Kumar at the 2nd position and Sandali Rai at the 1st position. Next, we have 60 meter sprint boys of grade 6. And the winners are Parth Dorle at the 3rd position, so the winners of 60 meter sprint boys of grade 6 are Parth Dorle of grade 6, Arnav Matange at the 2nd position and Sahil Agrawal at the 1st position. Next are the winners of 60 meter sprint girls of grade 6.
So let's have a glance at the names of the participants for the grade 7 to 100 meter sprint.
And the winners are Aditi Sharma at the 3rd position, Nidhi Krishna at the 2nd position and Bhakti Chopra shines at the 1st position.
The race is going to begin in a couple of minutes.
The participants are Aditya,
Gopish,
Vikas,
Krish
Piyush,
and Swapnil. The race has begun.
See their head start, it was just full of speed.
We can see that they are going to freeze everyone with their firing speed. Oh, what a run is going on.
Faces full of confidence, with eyes on the finish line.
Yes, their practice
Thank
is
you, sir.
shining in this race.
I would like to request Nambia sir to enlighten the gathering with few words.
Respected Chief Guest Brigadier Arjun sir, dear Principal, parents and dear children. First of all, thank you to the DPS family for giving an opportunity for me to be here in this August gathering, and also a gathering with full of energy and enthusiasm. I am a long-time associate of DPS family as a well-wisher as well as a parent. Probably this is my third DPS school, and grateful to the great institution called DPS in shaping up the new generation of this country. I come from a cement background, and we are all always proud to say that our primary job is to build the nation. And when I come here and see the value, what is being enlightened here, probably the teachers and the parents and the students put together is doing much better nation building. Yesterday, when I was traveling back from Gandhinagar to Jamnagar, I happened to see a very nice quote by our late President, Dr. Abdul Kalam. The only people who can weed out corruption and evil thought from this country and the universe are the father, mother, and the teachers. And probably I think this occasion gives a lot of hope for our country that one day we will achieve this noble goal. Extremely happy, and the passion what your principal possesses and the value what Pasta family tries to bring here for an area which was actually hungry and thirsty for quality education. And the show what you all put up within just 1 year of the inception of this great institution, it gives to us as well-wishers and parents that this institution will be one of the benchmark institutions in the coming days, and wish all the very best to the teachers, students, and parents of this great community called DPS. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good morning, everyone. Today we are here to witness 100-meter sprint by the girls of grade 7.
And the participants are Chelsea,
Samira,
Chenjuti,
Suman,
Princey.
Aditya.
The race has begun and everybody are running with spirit.
They are rocketing towards the finish line.
All the parents are eager to see their child's victory.
We can see Chelsea is in the lead. She is the #1 contender to that gold medal.
And there you go. We have a winner. Very well done, Chelsea. You made your team proud.
Now we're here to witness a 100-meter sprint by grade 7 boys.
All the participants are lining up in the starting line. Let's see who wins. The names of the participants are Vikas Chauhan, Sohan, Priyavrata,
Hemant,
Ayush Sharma,
and Yash Aryan.
They have all lined up in the starting line, all confidence in their faces, ready to win the race to any extent. As the great player Muhammad Ali has said, champions aren't made in the gyms. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them. A desire, a dream, a vision.
And here the race begins. I can see Vikas has a great head start.
All the participants are giving their best, and there is a clear victory by the students.
Vikas has a great lead which cannot be overtaken.
At this point of time, Vikas has taken a very nice lead, and here he wins.
Let's have a huge round of applause for Vikas.
and for all the other participants who have participated in this spectacular race.
This is the first call for the long jump grade 8 boys and girls. Next we have the grade 8 sprint races, 200 meters boys and then 200 meters girls.
Champions aren't made in the gyms. Champions are made from something they have deep inside them. A desire, a dream, a vision.
Winners never quit and quitters never win.
So, we are here to witness 200 meter sprint by the boys of grade 8.
And the participants are Gautam,
Kanishk,
Siddharth,
Yamin,
Ziaul,
Arafat.
Now we have the 200 meter sprint by the boys of grade 8. The football runners and runners-up and winners, please assemble near the net.
The participants are
Gautam,
Kanishk,
Siddharth,
Yamin,
Ziaul.
Arafat. All the participants have drained a lot of sweat during the practice session and now they are going to show their class.
You were born to win, but to be a winner, you must plan to win, prepare to win, and expect to win.
Victory is paid for in sweet, courage and preparation. All the participants. And they have started. We can see Kanishk is in the lead.
They're gone with a very good head start, and let's see who becomes the Arjuna of the race.
All the racers are doing very good.
They all are aiming to win, but alas, there's only one winner.
All racers are rocketing towards the finish line.
Come on, you can do this, and there you go.
Here we got the winners.
Very well done.
May I have your kind attention, please? It's again a time to motivate another batch of winners. I would like to request Miss Sistina Nambia to present the prizes to the next batch of winners. I also request Ruma ma'am to escort her to the victory podium. To begin with, we have winners of 200 meters boys sprint. And the winners are Vikas Devasi at the 3rd position, Krish Rathod, 2nd position, and Piyush at the 1st position. And the winners are, we have tied at the 3rd position, Suman Yadav and Princy Priya at the 3rd position, Aritra Bhaumik at the 2nd position, and the winner, that's the 1st position, is backed by Chelsea. Next, we have the winners of 100 meter sprint boys of grade 7, and the winners are Hemant Singh Shekhawat at the 3rd position, Ayush Sharma at the 2nd position, and Vikas Chauhan at the 1st position.
The big day has arrived, all ready to show their skills and techniques. So coming forward, we have a sprint for the energetic girls of grade 8.
Yes, absolutely. All the girls are in their full spirit.
So, the participants for the race are Janvi,
Pankti,
Trishita,
Neha,
Saloni,
and Shambhavi.
It's going to be a neck-to-neck competition.
The race is going to start in a
Next,
couple of seconds.
we have football inter-house boys runners-up. And the Inter-House Boys Football Runners-Up Trophy goes to Phoenix House. Captain Vikas Chauhan and the other members are Siddharth Sharma, Ayush Sharma, Aman Prabhakar, Achintya Singh, Parth Bamrotia, Mohammad On Pasta, Piyush, Jeevraj Prasad, Ayaz Ahmed, Satyaraj Jadeja, Kavan Mehta, Vivek Kumar, Aditya Trivedi, Saksham Mathur and Aman Mehta. Congratulations to Phoenix House Masters, Prefects and the students. Aharnish Anand, please report here. Captain of Griffin House, please report here. Near the prize distribution arena. Winner of Inter-House Boys Football Tournament is the Griffin House. Captain Aharnish Anand and the members are Sahil Agrawal, Shahid, Krish Rathod, Gopish, Jay Avasti, Ajay Ajmeri, Aryan Patel, Kanishk Parmar, Keshav Hooda, Kushal Doshi, Shravan Devasi, Pradyuman Chauhan, Arav Mehta, Aryan Goswami and Kritan Shwarma.
Now we are here to witness 100-meter sprint
Next,
by the boys of
we have
grade.
the winners of 200-meter sprint boys of grade 8. And the winners are Mohammad Yamin Sumbhania at the third position, Siddharth Sharma at the second position, Kanishk Ashok Parmar at the first position.
This is the first call for relay students of grade 3 and 4 to get ready.
Now we are here to witness 100-meter sprint by the boys of grade 8. The participants are Keshav Hooda, Aharnish Anand, Mustafa.
Next is the 200-meter sprint girls of grade 8. And the winners are Smriti Gakhar at the third position, Drishti Rajesh Kanani at the second position and Rajni Yadav at the first position.
Now we are here to witness 100-meter sprint by the boys of grade 8. The participants are Keshav Hooda, Aharnish Anand, Mustafa Modi, Kushal Agrawal, Aryan Patel and Suresh.
Thank you, ma'am.
And here the clapper shouts and race begins.
They have to run fast or be last.
Aharnish is in the lead, followed by Kushal Agrawal.
And they are rocketing towards the finish line, and Aharnish did it.
Congratulations, Aharnish. Give a big round of applause to the winners and participate.
And that's the feather in the cap for Aharnish.
The second call for the relay students of grade 3 and 4, please get ready.
The final call for the long jump grade 8 students.
The long jump students of grade 8, please come near the pit. Long jump students of grade 8.
So everybody, pull up your socks because the coming event is the long jump for the grade 8 boys. And the participants are Kanishk, Aryan Patel, Siddharth, Aharnish, Keshav and Kushal. I repeat, the participants are Kanishk, Aryan Patel, Siddharth, Aharnish, Keshav and Kushal. Boats do not build character, they reveal it. So, remembering this, I would like to tell all the participants to give their best shot. Persistence can change failure into extraordinary success. So now, all the participants are getting ready for this big event. Now Kanish takes a good head start, he sees the line And he's getting ready for the jump. And a brilliant jump by Kanish. He astonished everybody. Now we have the next contestant, Aryan Patel. Very confident. And a beautiful jump. Well tried. Now coming, we have Siddharth. He's taking a run up, ready to take a jump. And a giant leap from Siddharth. Audience came to a standstill. Now we have a feather in the cap. Harnish Anand taking his run up. He sees the line and he jumps. It was the farthest of all. A brilliant one by Harnish. Now the next contestant, Keshav. Keshav taking a run up. Ready to set glory. He jumps. And a nice jump by Keshav. Better luck next time. Now we can see Kushal, his face full of confidence. He's filled with energy. And here he takes a run up. Now he's taking a good run up and he jumps, seeing the line. What a jump! Now is the second chance for all the participants. Kanish takes a very good jump. Each participant gets 2 chances, and whatever the best score is, it would be counted, and the winners would be decided. And here we have again Aryan Patel crossing his limits. He sees the lines and he jumps. Oh, well tried, Aryan. And now the next contestant, Siddharth, is taking a very good head start. And jump! Whoa, it was good. It was a marvelous jump. The audience has come to a standstill. Now again we have Harnish. He's taking a run and he sees the line and he jumps. Wow! Seems like I'm daydreaming. A very good jump.
The long jump winners for 5, 6, 7 grade, please assemble near the net.
And now we have the next contestant, Keshav. And now Keshav is taking a run up, ready to set glory. He sees the line and he jumps. Looks like he's quite happy with this jump. His face expressions show that. Now we have the last but not the least contestant, Kushal. He sees the line and jumps. It was a marvelous jump. Now let's see who will be the winner.
And here we have the first participant from girls, Kriti, and it was a good jump. Second participant, it's Shambhavi. We can see confidence on her face. And she takes a very good head start. And she jumps. Jump. Now we have Neha, and she takes a head start with confidence and she takes a lead. Whoa, it was a good one. The next participant we have Saloni, a true sportsman. Here we have Saloni. She runs with a full speed and she jumps. Oh, it was an awesome jump. Next participant we have Rajni, and she jumped. We get a second chance. Every time for everyone. So now, come on, you have to prove yourself this time. First participant, Kirti. Here, she runs with full speed first and she jumps. Oh, luck next time. But it was a good one. We have Shambhavi. Here, come on. Yes! It was an awesome lead by Shambhavi. Now we have Neha. Then she runs with a good head start and her best lead. Now we have Saloni. She jumps, she runs and takes a leap, which was a very big one. Now we have Rajani with confidence on her face. She runs with a full speed. And here it is. It was a very good one.
I request Mr. Abhishek Nair to please reward the next batch of winners. I also request Miss Angana Sarkar, Middle School Coordinator, to please escort the sir to the victory podium. Inter-class long jump competition was held for both boys and girls of grade 5 to 7 during heats. So begin with, we have the winners of long jump competition girls of grade 5, and the winners are Heer Bhuwa at the 3rd position, Manswi at the 2nd position, and Sandali Rai at the 1st position.
Now, moving further, we have the relay races. The first relay race is by grade 3 boys. This involves coordination
Next,
and
the
confidence.
winners of long jump boys of grade 5, and the winners are Harshit Shekhawat at the 3rd position, Ishan Shukla 2nd position, and Akash Yadav at the 1st position.
And do you know what the word team means?
I know. Team means together everyone achieves more. That is TEAM. Together everyone achieves more. All the participants are ready on their tracks for the spectacular relay race. Moving forward.
We can
Next,
see
we have the winners of long jump grade 6, and the winners are Arnav Matange of grade 6 at the 3rd position, Abash Raut 2nd position, Anuj Sharma at the 1st position.
The race has begun. All the participants are giving their best, showing what they have practiced in the sessions.
this showcases their intelligent plan to win this game.
The baton is now passed to the 3rd person of the team.
This is the 3rd lap, and here comes the final.
All the participants moving forward, trying to reach the fourth members of their team. The baton is now passed to the 4th members. These people decide who is going to
are
win
the
the race.
winners of long jump girls grade 6, and the winners are Mishti at the 3rd position, Sampriti Roy 2nd position, Vaishnavi 1st position.
And now get ready to witness the relay race by the girls of grade 3.
Next, we have long jump winners of grade 7 boys, and the winners are Vikas Devasi at the 3rd position, Ayush Sharma 2nd, and Vikas Chauhan at the 1st position.
This is the first call for grade 5 and 6 relay boys and girls.
Now all the girls are getting ready on their tracks.
We've seen many events that until this time.
And now get ready to witness the 200-meter relay race by the girls of grade 3. All of them are getting ready on their tracks to set fire on the tracks. They have practiced very much for this race.
And they've reached their destination.
These are the
Sports do not build character, they reveal it.
Talents wins games, but teamwork and intelligence wins champions. So now get ready to witness a full of teamwork game by the girls of grade 3. Now all the girls are eagerly waiting for the clapper to sound so that they can set fire on this track.
Next are the winners of long jump, grade 8. Kanishk Parmar at the third position bags bronze medal. Aharnish Anand at the second position bags the silver medal. Kushal Agrawal at the first position gets the gold medal.
And now the race will begin in a couple of seconds.
It looks like everybody has a really strong intention to win. And they fired off.
What a good head start by all the girls.
They're giving out their best. And the baton has been passed.
Now we have the winners of 100 meters sprint by girls of grade 8. And the winners are Neha Singh at the third position gets the bronze medal. Saloni Agrawal at the second position gets the silver medal, and Shambhavi Tiwari bags the gold medal.
Now this is the final lap of the relay race. This will decide who will be the winner of this race. See the lead taken by Team 1 and Team 2.
Both of them are striving. Oh my god, but Team 1 won the race.
A brilliant finish by Team 1. Congratulations to the winner.
And a round of applause for everyone.
Now we have the winners of 100 meters boys sprint, and the winners are Aryan Patel and Mustafa Modi. It's a tie at the third position. Both of them get the silver medal. Kushal Agrawal is at the second position, and Aharnish Anand gold medal.
Now, coming forward, we have a relay race for grade 4 boys.
Yes, now they will show their talent on this track.
Yes, you're absolutely right. It's
Thank you, sir. Thank you for rewarding the winners.
There are 6 groups and each group containing 4 people.
Winners never quit. Quitters never win. Come on, friends. Now we can see everybody assembling on their tracks.
Come on, cheer up the athletes.
If you are willing to go to the distance, to go to the extra mile, with determination and effort, you can often achieve more. Because you don't always get what you wish, but what you work for. Here we are for the grade 4 relay race. They all have their eyes on the gold medal. 6 teams, 4 people in each team. 50 into 4 meter relay race.
This is the final call for basketball. Boys, basketball boys, winners and runner-ups, please assemble behind the nets.
You are born to win, but to be a winner, you must plan to win, prepare to win, and expect to win.
And team planning is the main thing in this race. The one who plans the best, keeps everyone in the right position, wins.
This is the final call for grade 5 and 6 students for the relay race.
All the participants are on their marks, ready to fire off. Rock and roll on the track. And the race has started. All the participants giving their best.
In the group 1, team 1 is in the lead.
And the baton is now passed to the second person.
Now still, team 1 has a great lead.
What a lead. And now the baton is passed to the third person. 50 meters to go to the passing of the fourth person.
But look, team 4 has just taken close to team 1.
The baton is now passed to the fourth person who will decide who will be the winner, who will be the runner, and who will give their best.
Just see the great lead.
Very nice lead, now can't be overtaken. A clear finish. What a finish by the students of grade 4. Big round of applause for all of them.
So here we have the next relay race of the grade 4 girls 200-meter relay.
This relay has 4 laps and each contestant has to run 50 meters.
Don't worry about losing, guys. Think about winning. Stay positive, think positive, and strive to win.
It's not the team with the best players that win. It's player with the best team that wins. So people who are thinking in this relay that their team is not good, then just remember, in a relay, team spirit, mental ability and hard work is required.
Good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is better and your better is best. So come on. Yesterday, you were good. Today, you are better. And if you keep trying and keep doing the hard work, then tomorrow you will be the best.
All the contestants are ready. Set the track on fire with their firing speed.
Let's see. Someone might become the future PV Sindhu, but from India. Shambhavi, just see their faces. Full of confidence, don't you think?
Yes, their practice is shining.
And here they start with a super cool head start.
They really want to freeze everyone.
And here the baton is passed for the second lap. Here the speed and the enthusiasm is still going on.
This is the third lap. And if here you have the lead, it will be beneficial for the fourth lap.
Come on, guys. Give your best.
This is the fourth lap, the final lap. This will decide your result. Keep going, guys.
And here,
the victory is edging.
What a brilliant finish it was. It was a very fun-filled race.
We have the clear winners with us.
A sunny day and a perfect day for a first annual sports day. So now we are about to witness a relay by the energetic students of grade 5.
Yes, all the students in their full energy are showing their best.
It is going to be a healthy competition between all the participants. Come on, friends, make your team proud.
There are 6 teams and each team containing 4 members. So this is the 4x50 relay race.
Come on, friends, set your goals high and don't stop until you get them. It is not the will to win that matters. Everyone has it. It is the will to prepare to win that matters.
Who knows? These are the new Usain Bolts from India.
You can see that these children have enthusiasm and a great amount of energy on their faces.
The race would start in a couple of moments.
All are geared up and ready to set fire on the track.
Come on, athletes, pull up your socks and get ready for this race.
And all are assembling on the track.
The clapper sounds.
And here, all the racers take a very good head start. It's a neck-to-neck competition.
We can see the batons are passed on to the second members of each team.
Yes, right now they are heading towards the third lap of the race. It is very difficult to say at this point of time who is going to win the race.
The batons are passed on to the third lap players.
Yes, all are flying.
This is the final lap now, and it will
the
decide
final
who
lap
wins.
approaches. It will decide who is going to be a winner. Now we can see a clear lead taken. And here, a brilliant finish.
Clear finish by all of them.
We have a lucky winners. The audience has come to a standstill.
A big hand for all of them.
We are now here to witness 100 into 4 relay who are girls of 50 into 4 relay by the girls of grade 5.
Gold medals aren't really made of gold. They're made of sweat, determination, and hard to find alloy called guts.
Sports do not build character, they reveal it. The athletes have drained a lot of sweat during the practice session, and now they're going to show their class.
And the parents are eager to see their child's victory.
If you are willing to go to the distance, to go the extra mile,
come on everybody, cheer up the athletes.
we can see the future of India. This little athlete will surely represent India at the Olympics.
And the race will be starting in a couple of seconds.
They have taken the stance. All the athletes have taken the stance.
There you go, the race has started.
Group 1 is in the lead.
And Group 2 is catching up. Come on.
All the racers have given the batons to the second person.
They're running with confidence in their eyes. Come on.
Come on, you can do it. You can win.
And the baton is passed to the third batch that is running right now.
They're rocketing towards their fourth lap. And the batons are passed to the fourth person. Now we are going to decide who is going to take the gold medal.
Come on, you can do this.
Come on, the future athletes.
Very well. They were so close that I couldn't figure out who was the winner.
This is the final call for grade 7 and 8 relay boys and girls.
As you know, success is not given, it is earned.
Yes, you are absolutely right. Everybody have been eagerly waiting for this moment.
And now, finally, we'll get to know who is our deserving winner.
I think this will be the fantastic race because the tracks are burning like the flames which cannot be doused.
Yeah. Now let's see. I think they are almost ready to fire off.
Let's wait for the...
May I have your kind attention, please? It's again a time to motivate another batch of winners.
And here they go.
I would like to request Principal Sir Mr. S.K. Verma to reward the winners. I also request Miss Roma to escort him.
The batons have passed on.
And they are giving their best shot.
And now they are heading towards their third participant.
And they are running
To
so
begin
fast.
with, we have winners of 200-meter relay race of
And now
grade
the
3
final lap.
boys.
And they are running so fast.
And the winner teams are.
And the group 5
At
win.
third position, Arav Madan, Apratim, Ayush, Deepage. Second position, Utkarsh, Nirmalya, Hari, Vaibhav. They get silver medal. And the gold medal goes to David, Krish, Parth and Vedant.
It is aptly said that sports brings about a new enthusiasm, passion and creativity.
So that means we will be able to see a new shine in the eyes of these children.
Yes, the shine of happiness, happiness of winning, and this win will bring a new enthusiasm in them.
So does that mean that we are going to score better in the coming assessments?
We hope so. Now we can see that the participants are ready on the tracks. Victory is paid for in sweat, courage and preparation. And I think that these scholars are going to set up a mark in this relay race.
Yes, aptly said.
Next are the winner teams of 200-meter relay race of grade 3 boys. And the winner teams are girls. And the winner teams are Yashvi, Himani, Mehek, Rajita. At the third place, they get silver medal, bronze medal, and silver medal goes to Shubhashni,
And the race has begun.
Ume Salman. And gold medal goes to
Clap the
Himakshi, Shruti, Tosha, Vidya.
Here is the first leap and the baton has been passed. Group B is in the lead.
Followed by group 3.
And here to the second leap. The baton is passed to the third leap and it seems that there is a game changer.
Come on, girls, you can do it. Go for the gold, girls.
And the last leap which will decide that who is going to be the winner. And here we can see that Group C has stood first, followed by Group D and E.
Give a big round of applause for Bhakti. Congratulations, girls.
Next winner team are for the 200-meter relay race, boys of grade 4. Third position, Anik, Arav, Tanush, Chaitanya. They get bronze medal. Shrut, Ved, Vedit, Vishwa gets the silver medal. Aditya, Kavya, Akhilesh and Harsh gets the gold medal.
This is the final call for grade 7 and 8 relay races. Please assemble.
Next, we have the winners of 200-meter relay race of grade 4 girls, and the winners are Sayantika, Shrishti, Pari, Siri, bronze medal. Mahim, Neva, Astha, Harsh gets the silver medal. Uzma, Ananya, Sangeeta and Khushi gets the gold medal.